So friends, welcome to Let's Talk Nifty, where we try and figure out what the Indian stock market indexes are trying to tell us. So much to my disappointment, Nifty keeps continuing going up on a gap basis and keeps forming dojis. This is not good at all, folks. But the problem is, once it gaps up, it becomes so difficult to trade as well, right? Today, we plan to trade Bank Nifty. It was perfectly as per those levels. I had indicated that today could be possibly an inside day. It's exactly what it happened. And it dipped to our support level exactly, and then it moved up close to 200 points from there. So that was a good profit making opportunity. I hope all of you were able to utilize it. अभी कल निफ्टी का देखते हैं, तो निफ्टी का भी अगला रेजिस्टेंस है, गैप अप हुआ तो 19556, उसके ऊपर 19662, उसके ऊपर 19838. तो 562 अभी यहाँ से इससे ऊपर जाना बहुत मुश्किल होगा. It will be much better if Nifty gives a correction down to 272, and then it would be easier for it to go to 650 and 830. But a kind of a vertical move is not looking good. I would much rather see a correction. अभी कल गैप अप हुआ तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. We need market to spend time at a particular level for a lot of time, right? Unlike Bank Nifty, we do not have any big bar, but the market has, if you look at it, the market has moved from 18,900 to 9. That means close to almost 600 points, right? Without any kind of correction. So this is not good. So when it gaps up, it's gaps up like more than 100 points. It's difficult to trade either way, right? So only one possible trade that I can think of is tomorrow, if the market opens gap up and it takes resistance at 19,560, spend some time there, and either it gives a breakout, I'm not interested. If it gives a breakdown, I'm willing to jump in, and with only one trade, if that is stop loss, then I'll call it a day. So 19,560 पे resistance आके negative candlestick देगा, तो मैं short करूँगा, and that will be my only trade, and my target will be 19,272. Okay, so that's the only trade that I'm looking for tomorrow. In the meantime, stocks are really doing well. Today, I've partly booked our cable and currently holding Manivar, Endurance, iWell, and Aarti Industries. So these are my personal trades, so not buy or sell recommendations. So please don't follow them. Just if you want to learn candlesticks, you can always look at them to understand why I might have entered those stocks. So stocks are giving good moves, so let's enjoy it. And one big problem is most of the Nifty components are moving up without any good volumes. So that is, and there's a big divergence happening between the small cap index and Nifty, which is also not, it doesn't look good. So we should start booking our profits in our positions, partially at least, and prepare for something that we can expect, which is an obvious reversal. So tomorrow's trading plan, once again, to summarize, wait for it to open gap up, and get stuck at 19,560. If it opens above that, then 19,660 is the level to look for. Either way, we need to see a correction. You need a consolidation at that level, and then a negative candlestick which confirms it, and then we can go short for 19,272. So I hope this is useful, and I hope some of you at least made money with Bank Nifty analysis yesterday. I surely did. Thank you very much, and have a great Nifty expiry tomorrow. I hope all of you make lots of money. Thank you very much for listening. I will see you tomorrow with another